An exciting feature on examrevision.ie is our Student Progress tab. This is accessible through all teacher accounts, where a teacher can pair up their students and put them into classes where they can track their progress. So if we click into View Student Progress and we select our subject area, we can click into Show Video Progress. If I then select Class, I can view, as the class teacher, all of the different videos that are available to my class. I can then go and look at a particular topic area, and I can view what students in my class, who will all be populated along here, have viewed the different videos. This is particularly useful if we do set videos for a homework task, which may be used in the flipped learning environment. Furthermore, if we click into Show Quiz Progress, I can select a class again, and I can select a particular area that I might have set for a quiz. So for example, sets, and I can go and view the score that my student received in that quiz. I can then click into the particular quiz, and I can actually go and view for this student and for all students in my class what questions they got correct and what questions that they got incorrect, allowing for very detailed discussions within the class, and also the ability to recap on any misconceptions. Furthermore, if a teacher clicks into Show Student Activity, you can also view when that particular student last logged in to use Exam Revision, thus allowing the teacher a lot of overview on how the students are progressing within examrevision.ie.